Digital survey of land near me. Have you heard of the latest technology that's revolutionizing the way we conduct land surveys? It's called SCON Design, and it's a digital surveying tool that's taking the world by storm. With SCON Design, you can get an accurate and detailed survey of any plot of land near you, all from the comfort of your own home. That's right, no more trudging through muddy fields or dealing with unreliable surveyors. Thanks to SCON Design, conducting a land survey has never been easier or more efficient. This innovative technology uses advanced algorithms to create a 3D model of the land, complete with precise measurements and detailed topographical data. But that's not all. SCON Design is also incredibly user-friendly. Plus, SCON Design is affordable and accessible, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to buy or develop land. So why wait? Try SCON Design today and see for yourself why it's quickly becoming the go-to tool for land surveys. Thanks for watching.